So good morning everyone. So first of all, for today's videos, the difference between the binomial nomenclature and trinomial nomenclature. Okay. So I write here the binomial nomenclature. First we have to understand what is the nomenclature. Nomenclature means I told on the previous video that the nomenclature means naming. How you identify anything. When we identify anything, we always giving a name, right? So that is called naming, right? Nomenclature means naming anything or naming any organism, naming any specimen. That is called nomenclature. I told on the previous video that if any organism you can identify, first you have to identify them depending on their characteristic, right? Depending on the characteristic, first you have to classify, then you have to take given a name, then you can identify that the organism is that, right? So here first we have to understand what is binomial. Binomial means bi means here bi means two. Okay. Nomial means here the binomial the word, the terminology means here it is talk about the scientific name. We all know the scientific name actually consists of two words, right? One is, we all know that one is genus and another one is species, right? So when we write any scientific name, we all know that first word, first letter always care, right? Suppose I give an example. Suppose in case of tiger, you all know tiger or Royal Bengal tiger. What is the scientific name of Royal Bengal tiger? Panthera tigris, right? Panthera tigris. We all know when we retain a scientific name, it always consists of two words. First one is genus, two taxon, right? Two taxon. First one is genus and second one is species. And when we retain the genus, first letter of the word always be capital, and in the species all letters are in small letter, and all the genus and both the genus and species all are underlined. This is the actual rules of a scientific name. We all know. So here what we written here? We written here one is genus, one is species. That means two, right? Two words consist to form a scientific name. So that's why it is called binomial. Bio means two. That's why it is called binomial. Clear? It is very easy. Okay. Now I goes to the next one, that is trinomial. Okay. Trinomial. Trinomial. What is trinomial? Binomial means bi means two, right? So in case of trinomial, always it's maybe three, right? Three. So here the scientific name consists of three words. Now you think that, sir, we all know the scientific names always to be consist of two words, two taxon. One is genus and another one is species. So how is formed the trinomial nomenclature, and why it is important for us? Why it is important to know for us? Why? So first let me explain. Suppose there is an organism. Suppose in case of tiger, we all know the tiger, the Royal Bengal tiger. The Royal Bengal tiger, we all know the present in our West Bengal, India, right? Suppose in this same tiger, also present in, also seen in Africa. Okay, same shape, same color, same height, all features are same. Then what do you think? Do you think that no, the tiger also be present only in Africa, not in India? But somebody also know that it is first available in India. So how you identify them? How you distinguish them? That means something also differ to each other. The Royal Bengal tiger of Africa and the Royal Bengal tiger of India, something also difference present. Because suppose in case of India, the weather is different, right? In case of India, weather is different, and in case of Africa, weather is another, right? That means this is not similar. The Royal Bengal tiger, which is present only in India, that's habitat different from the Africa, because the weather are different, all things are different, right? So how you identify them? How you recognize them? So to have the recognize, to have the identification, to have the verify, in case a scientist name another concept that is called binomial nomenclature to reduce the confusion. So in that time they decide if same species present in different area of the world, and this species scientific name is based on their place. Okay, suppose I give you example in case of tiger. Okay, we know the tiger scientific name is Panthera tigris, right? Panthera tigris. Panthera tigris, right? So Panthera tigris, we all know the scientific name of a tiger, right? When it is found only in India, it's also joined indica. Okay, it is the another word also be added. Wait, okay. So when it is found in India, how it is India? Because it is the based on the place of, it is the based on the where it is found, right? It is found in India. That's why I write here the indica. From the India, the indica word is formed. Okay, because it is found only in India. If the Panthera tigris is found in Africa, we say right here Panthera tigris Africa. Small Africa. Alright, okay. That is the scientific name. And you always to be noticed that always the place of word always written after the species. This is the species. Tigris is the species here. After the species, the place of the word always be written. This is the actual rule. And so here the three words combine to each other, and this form the trinomial nomenclature. I think it is clear to all. That's all.